Did you know that you can clean your house with vinegar? On this episode, I'm going to show you 5 of the most important areas of your house that can be cleaned easily with vinegar. Number 5, the washing machine. Using vinegar in the laundry does multiple things. It freshens up stale or stinky clothes, brightens and whitens them, and helps clean the washing machine itself. Use distilled white vinegar. It can be added to the detergent slot or that little drawer thing, or it can be mixed 1-to-1 with water and put in the washing machine itself. Vinegar shouldn't stain your clothes, but if you're worried, just make sure you add it to the detergent slot so it'll get mixed in with water, or you can try it with some old towels or dirty socks. Speaking of dirty socks, stinky towels, sports clothes, they can all be sprayed with vinegar or 50-50 mix of vinegar and water and left for 10 minutes before being put in the washer to help freshen them up. Straight vinegar will have a stronger effect. Just try it on the bottom corner of your favorite pants before spraying the whole thing, just to make sure there's no staining from the vinegar. Number 4, electronics. Home electronics often end up with fingerprints and gunked up screens, but this can easily be solved with vinegar. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and distilled water into a spray bottle. Spray onto a microfiber cloth, old cotton shirt or eyeglasses cloth, and wipe the screen down. Avoid using paper towel or toilet paper as they can scratch the screens. You can wipe down the backside of your device too while you're at it. Number 3, the humidifier. Humidifiers can be refreshed and cleaned with vinegar. Start by removing all the water. Likely, once all the water is gone, you can probably feel or see slimy grime in the machine that needs to be cleaned. This will vary based on the kind of humidifier you have. Just fill up the base reservoir with 1 cup of vinegar or more if needed, and let sit for 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how gunked up it is. For the water tank, add 2 cups of vinegar, put the cap back on, and swirl it around for a minute or 2 until it looks good. You can let that sit for 5 minutes before washing it out. Rinse out the humidifier reservoir that has been soaking and clean it up with a rag or old toothbrush, and it's as good as new. Number 2, dishwasher. Vinegar will do wonders for a dishwasher. Start by cleaning out that mesh filter at the base of your dishwasher. I know it's gross, but it has to be done. Next, all we have to do is place a bowl on the bottom rack, a bowl that is dishwasher safe. Add 3 cups of white vinegar to the bowl, then run your dishwasher cycle. You can also use cleaning vinegar, which is stronger with more cleaning power. Number 1, shower and glass cleaner. Finally, cleaning the shower can easily be done with vinegar. Now for this one, we're going to take a spray bottle and fill it with equal parts of vinegar and dish soap. Some people swear by Dawn dish soap. That's up to you to decide. Start with 1 cup of each and see if that's enough to get the job done. Mix the 2 in your spray bottle, and then, well, what I like to do is take a shower and clean it at the same time. Some of you might find the vinegar fumes to be too much. You can always do this with a mask. For any of the metal parts, you can just spray it and wipe it afterwards. For the glass and walls, you'll want to let the spray sit for 5 minutes before wiping it off with a sponge or rag. Give these cleaning tips a shot and let us know in the comments below how they worked for you. Be sure to subscribe. Until next episode, have a great day.